Alright, United and Roseman, we're seeing a massive storm moving towards the Tehachapi's and going to be entering Bakersfield at this point over here. I hope you're appreciating the view, Hanford. And you gotta check this thing out here. Look at this. Ain't that wild? We got blue sky over here, and yet in this area we have it like, oh, it's a nightmare. But this, see that? Oh, wind band. Okay, pause for a second. All right, Hanford, we're looking out south right now, Antelope Valley, Roseman area. As you can see, Hanford, huge storm wall just sitting on top of Roseman, Lancaster area, west side, probably hugging along the outer areas of the Antelope Valley. And yet we have this little puppy right here fading out. I've been hearing lightning. Actually, I've been hearing thunder left and right, but we haven't had the flashes out here just yet. But we haven't even had the hail yet either. So let's give you a shot of what the area looks like beyond the clouds movements here. We've got this clearing here. Okay, we're gonna get past the tree, heading towards the street area. This is Roseman Boulevard. Okay, date is September 3rd, 2022. It's between 5:30 at night and 6 o'clock in the evening. Okay, I think it's about enough shottage.